Guys, so today's video is going to be on the haul of everything that I crocheted on the month of May. So let's begin, starting with my collection of coasters that I made this month. So all all the things that I'm showing in my video are provided in the description. You can also go to my channel and you can check out. So starting with this heart coaster that I made. This coaster is very simple to make. You just start with a magic circle and then you go on increasing, and then I have made a small little heart and added it to my coaster. So it's a very simple and delicate coaster. Nothing much special about it, simplicity, that's all. Then I tried making this star coaster. This is not very much like a proper star. It's more of like a hexagon coaster. So I used a magic circle for making this coaster as well. So I started off with gray color, and then for the ending portion, finishing portion, I just made a simple rows of single crochet using sky blue color. So I just wanted to add a very 3D pattern to my hexagon or slash star coaster. So that's all. Very simple and very cute. Little bit different than the other coasters. And then I adore daisies. I just love the ideas of flowers in my crochet collection. Even if I make a cardigan, I would love to add a small tiny little fluffy flowers. So I made this flower coaster. It is also there in my channel. You can go and check out. I used magic circle for the center portion. Use chocolate brown for the pom-pom, and starting with for the petals, I use a normal white color. So this is my flower coaster. Then this beer coaster. It's quite cute and very simple. Okay, you just start with the magic circle, you go on increasing, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after making 6 rounds of your circle, then you make the ears. It's very easy. I made a treble crochet in the between and single and double crochet in the sides. So simple as that. This is my very simple beer crochet. So I love beer. I mean, of course they're wild, but they're adorable, especially baby bears. So that's my beer coaster. Simple. So all the coasters are in the shape of my sipper that usually I use to drink water. That's all. And I just love and adore this frog coaster because frogs are actually going extinct, especially here where I live. So I love the idea of a rainy day and frogs making their sounds. So I'm not very good at making frog sounds, so that's all. This is my frog coaster. For the eyes, I use dark green color, which very much seems like black, but it's not black, trust me. Color blindness, nothing else. The camera I use couldn't capture that black color. And of course for the mouth portion, I use a pinkish peachy color. And for the green, I use a little bit of neonish green color. So there you go, your frog coaster. How adorable. And then starting with these granny square coasters. Honestly speaking, I was thinking of learning how to make a granny square, and then I came up with a brilliant idea. So my granny squares, the brown one and the multicolored ones, they were not exactly matching together. So I thought of using them as coaster for the time being, and then later on when I have more granny square, I'll just attach them together and make a pillowcase or anything. I mean, when you have granny square, you can just attach them and come up with any crochet project ideas, be it cardigan, be it pillow cover, be it blanket, so many things. Even a cardigan would do, skirt, everything looks so perfect with granny square. So I've uploaded many videos on my channel about how to make a granny square, so especially these color block granny squares. And this is a very simple granny square. It's just a single color and these are color blocks. I just love a color block granny square. So there's my granny square coasters slash you can use it for anything later on. Now I begin with my anigami projects. So I made these cute cats. I simply love and adore cats. When it about cats, I cannot control myself. So I made these cute little cats, the green one and the what should I call this? British short hair, I guess. Both of them are British short hair. I was thinking of making a calico cat, a tuxedo cat. So many cats are there to make. So you can just go to my channel and you can check out. There's a step-by-step tutorial to make these cute cats. So that's how it looks like. You can use crepey yarns or just simply fiber fillings for your filling inside the cat, or else it's not going to be very fluffy and playful. So for the eyes, you can use a normal those stuffed toy Bobby eyes you get to buy, or you can just sew them using black, or I've used blue here. So anything. Look how cute. Let's give it a belly rub. I made these little mushrooms. I made it in two different variations. I made it in a our classic mushroom which we generally eat, and starting with a poisonous mushroom which we do not generally eat. But this one looks much more animated and creative. You can use it for earrings or any crochet project addition. You can add it anywhere. So tutorial is also there in my channel. You can go and check out. So such cute mushrooms, huh? Idea of making these cactuses in different color, using bright orange, using sage green and baby pink for the thorns, was because I do not wanted to make it very real and very non-fictional. It's a total fictional cactus, so I wanted to make it much more playful and much more colorful. So there you go, your miniature cactus. It's there in the description. You can also go to my channel and you can check out how to make these. So there you go. And then I made these watermelon because it's summertime, so a fresh watermelon idea is the best. I just love watermelon. It's one of my favorite fruit. So I thought, why not make watermelon? So I made two of these. One, I did not attach any keychain loop into one. I just simply attached keychain because I thought of selling them because they were in demand. People were really liking them. So these are my cute watermelons. You can use different color for your seeds. I used black. You can use different color if you want. Generally watermelon seeds are brown or black. So yep. So I started with making a magic circle and then I folded it into half and for the green portion I did it on the other half of the magic circle. You can go and check it on my description, and it's there in my channel. Then I made these two bookmark. I do love to read. Recently I bought new Harry Potter book, Chamber of Secret, hardcover. So this is a very simple bookmark. You can go and check it out on my channel, starting with leaves and then making chains and working all the way to here, making a leaf again, and then making the flower separately and then joining it to your leaf strand. Simple as that. I made another version of bookmark which is quite simple. So this is just the simple leaf. You can call it a bookmark, or you can also call it a chain holder or something very circular. You can just get into it and just simply tie it so that you can keep track of anything that you have lost or something. So just a simple idea, that's all, nothing else, nothing fancy, simple, very simple. And then I also made this flower for this key holder, but then I forgot to paste it on my leaf. I don't know why I did that, but it's okay, it's fine. I can always use a glue gun and paste your crochet projects. Absolute favorite was making this tulip headband. Since I made a tulip project which completely made me fall in love with tulips, so here are my 3 tulip projects. This is a tulip pot. It is more like a coaster, less like tulips, so it's like you can use it as a coaster, and you can also use it as a flower pot. So tutorial is also given on my channel, or how to make these tulip coaster with the pot. The pot is pretty simple to make, so then you can use it like your flower pot as well. You can just fold the tulips coaster and then just place it, insert it inside your pot, taking the shape of your pot, and then there you go, simple as that. And I made this tulip headband as well, simple to wear. You just tie the ends and then you wear it. That is my tulip headband. And my number 3 tulip project is this tulip phone case that I made. So these are my 3 tulip crochet project that I made, and in future I'll be making more tulip crochet projects. So this is a tulip garden phone case. I used orange tulip, baby pink tulip, lemon yellow tulip. So yeah, you can just simply take your phone, insert into it. You can also use it as different pouches. I was thinking of putting a sling around this phone case to use it as a sling bag or something sort of that. So I'm in absolute love with this phone case. I simply adore this phone case. So the guide to make all of these is given in my channel. You can go and check out, and you can also check my description box. Here comes the biggest surprise, are these storage box that I made in the ending of the month. These are my 2 absolute favorite crochet projects, these storage boxes. So this one's a little bit heavier because I used a tin can to make this storage box. You can see I recycled the old tin can and made storage, use the yarn above it, over it, to make the storage box. So this one's a strawberry cake and this one's black forest. So this is my storage box. As you can see, I've kept so many stuffs inside these. There are little hearts and some stationery stuff and some earbuds as well. Lol. And obviously the tutorial is there in my channel. Go and check out and let me know what was your favorite crochet project.